Hi everyone, this is Gabriel from Blewmymind. I wanted to record this video to teach you guys how to manage one of your iOS devices online rather than directly in your iOS device. So basically all you need to do is go to the following website, www.me.com or iCloud.com. So the moment this loads, all you need to do is enter in your Apple ID. The Apple ID is the same username and password that you use to purchase apps within the App Store. So I'm going to go ahead and sign in. Once you sign in, you're going to see the following icons. So we're going to just run by them one by one. So we've got here the mail icon. In order for this to work, you're going to have to follow a few steps on your iPhone or your iOS device to create an Apple ID, in which case then you'll be able to use this service to send out emails. Just so you can see how simple it is, you got your inbox, your VIP, draft, sent, archive, trash, and junk. You could create other folders just by clicking on the plus sign. You can click here, write test, and there we go. Over here, click on email like this, and then we can say it's important, delete it, move it to a folder, or even create a new email. So as you can see, Apple really did a good job to make a very clean, easy to use website just to send out emails. So you can always just say hello, how are you? Also, you have a drop down if you want to change the email address that you're sending it from a .me or at iCloud.com, as well as sending it with attachments and so forth. Once you're ready to get out of this, all you click is on the iCloud, and then you can choose the next option or next menu you'd like to choose to. So we'll go to contacts. As you can see, this is the contact list. It's all in alphabetical order. You can sort by just pressing on the letter you want, and then you'll be able to view or edit anything. To add a new contact, you just click on the plus sign and then click on new contact, and then you just fill in all the information and you'll be good to go. And the beauty about this is anything you do with the iCloud will end up synchronizing with your iPhone or your iPod or any iOS device within a few seconds, which is really helpful, especially when you have to copy paste or type something in from scratch. It saves you a lot of time. Then when you're done, click on the done button at the bottom and away you go. Just so you know, in case this is something that you're looking for, you click on add fields and you have all types of extra features such as birthdays if it's relevant to you, Twitter account, or anything else of that nature. Same with phone numbers. You got drop downs if you have an iPhone, a cell phone, a fax that you want to add. Same thing with email and websites. Going to calendar. So here's the calendar view. You can always have multiple calendars if you're synchronizing with your own work through Exchange or whatnot. Is all managed through here. It's something that you should know. This button over here showing actions, click on that and click on the preferences and bring out this very useful submenu. Something that I just discovered is this show birthday calendar. Once you click on that, you're going to have the subscriptions there. So if you add people's birthdays in their contacts, you're going to have them plugged into the calendar. So at least your efforts are going to be useful. If you want your week to start on a different day other than a Sunday, you just choose it from the drop down. So if you want a 5-day week or 7-day week, all you have to do is select it from over here. In the advanced options, if you work with different time zones, you may want to enable the time zone support. They're giving you the option of hiding an event after X amount of days. And then when you're done, you just click save. So the views are all listed over here. If you want a day view, a week view, or a month view. Over here are different notifications. Just click on that to disappear. To create a calendar event, all you need to do is click on the time, pop in the information saying recording a video for YouTube, indicate the time zone if you'd like. You could indicate if it's an all-day event or indicating how many hours it's going to take, which is nice. It's telling you that if it's from 3 till 5:30, that it's spanning 2.5 hours. You can have it being a repetitive event, sending you multiple alerts. Let's say you want an alert in 15 minutes and in an hour, that you have it all there. You can invite people and add an attachment and then click OK. And should this be the wrong time, just drag the box to the appropriate time. And now if we click on our week, now we see it right over here. Next, we will click on the notes. So if you have any notes that you want to take between your iPhone or your iCloud, all you need to do is click on notes and then type in what you'd like to write about. YouTube videos. Record a video on using the Apple iCloud. And then you can always email it if you'd like. Moving on, we got reminders. So we will click on reminder, YouTube video. Now we will say iCloud video, Microsoft video. Then we can click on details, setting the priority, and then click on done. Also, we can change the color if we'd like. And then when we're done, just check mark it and it's gone. After that, you could enable the Find My iPhone icon should you want to avoid having your phone lost. You'd have to sign in and load the app on your iOS device. And then we've got Pages, so we'll get started. So as you can see, Pages is the Microsoft version of Word. So we can just grab this, click on Choose. So here's the loaded template. We can put in the company information here. Blewmymind. We can change the picture. These are a few different shades. Also align the columns, and then when you're done you can share it as a Word, PDF, or a page file. As you can see in the tools, you got all types of options like spell check, show find replacements, and your guidelines. And you can also zoom in and zoom out. So that's that. We will close this down and jump to Numbers, which is the Mac version of Excel. Let's grab this. You can see there's already values inside. Let's play with these numbers. Put in 55,000. And right away you see the adjustments are affecting these columns. Keynote is our last item to discuss, which is like PowerPoint. And then we'll add another slide. And that's it. Hope you liked this video.